Hey folks, another flare-up of showers and thunder showers in the valley today. The heaviest stuff has been right down the middle part of the valley. A closer look shows where things are now, stretching from the river all the way up to about La Villa and then points northward from there. This little cell over Los Indios has weakened quite a bit. It's still raining there, but notice how the lightning has kind of disappeared. So it's now just rain right along the military highway right near the Los Indios International Bridge. Then from Santa Maria up to La Feria, just the east side of Mercedes, right along I-2. Raining really hard right now, and even that one weakening a little bit over the highway, but boy, causing some slowdowns as you saw with Karen with traffic a few minutes ago. So just allow a little extra time to get through there. Then farther to the north, another good storm, the heaviest of which now is a little bit to the north of 107. La Villa sits right here, Ed Couch is right there. So a little bit north of that, kind of working its way up into northeast Hidalgo County and into western Willacy County over the course of the next few minutes. There's Delta Lake, so you can see it's kind of working its way in that direction. The movement of this primarily to the north, although not all that rapidly. So if you get rained on, you could pick up quite a lot. Doppler estimates how much rain has fallen today. Notice it's right in the swath in the middle part of the valley, and it suggests an inch, 0.3, 1.4 near Ed Couch, and about 3/4 of an inch right near Progresso. Now, as we look at the satellite, notice how stuff fired up right in the middle part of the valley. The high level clouds have been pushed to the west. This rain should fade by sunset. That should be the end of that, but then tomorrow we do it again. And right now the models are suggesting that tomorrow maybe the wettest we've seen in a while. Not necessarily an all-out rain where everybody gets rain all day. We don't necessarily think that, but there'll be scattered showers and storms, probably the most active day of the week. I think there'll be some action on Thursday and again on Friday as well. So we've got the chances in there the next 3 days, but look at that tomorrow. Pretty good bet. At least a few folks are going to get rained on tomorrow. When it rains, it cools you off. Here in Weslaco, we're only 80 right now. Harlingen 90, 91 at the coast. Dew point's at 75, so it's relatively humid out there. Low temperatures tonight bottom out in the upper 70s once again with variable winds. Then tomorrow we're back up into the 90s, but only in the 90s because of the extra clouds and showers. Temperatures stay down a little bit from normal. Normal's 94 and only 92 tomorrow. How many times in the last couple of months have we had a below normal day? It looks like tomorrow might be one of them. It's actually pretty mild across the whole state. You saw it was 88 in San Antonio, 81 in Austin. They have seen a bunch of rain in San Antonio the last 24 hours, 7 inches plus. And the future track pulls this little upper disturbance back to the southwest. That gives us our best chance for a shower thunderstorm tomorrow, but it doesn't go away Thursday or Friday. Meanwhile, the remnants of Gordon kind of meandering up across Arkansas up here. But for us, notice a little green in the forecast each day, so that chance stays with us for a while. Here's Gordon. Still a tropical storm right now with 70-mile-per-hour winds, move to the northwest at 15. Gordon should move ashore this evening by 1 a.m. It's inland, continue to move to the north. Right now the Hurricane Center does not any longer strengthen it to hurricane strength. Too close to land now. Not to say it won't, but it shouldn't. By the weekend, it's up over Chicago. In the meantime, we're also tracking Florence out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. It's a hurricane. We'll stay that way for a while, but likely to stay out in the open Atlantic for the foreseeable future all the way through the weekend. A non-issue for the Gulf. So tonight, 77 for a low. That early evening shower thunderstorm. We're mainly dry after that. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy with a thunderstorm in spots. A high tomorrow of 92. Again, I don't think everybody gets rained on tomorrow, but I think more people will tomorrow than have in a while. 92, 94, 94. We kind of hold in the mid 90s, so we've kind of maybe broken the back of those 100-degree days for a while, and we stay a little bit cooler, but every day the chance for a shower or thunderstorm is there all the way into and through the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.